Hey, I wanted to put this video together really quick just to give a visual example of what it looks like and how easy it is to register for your Medicare online. So you're actually going to be doing it through the Social Security website if you've never registered before. And I'll put the link in the video. This is what it will take you to. And you'll see here how to apply for just Medicare. And then over here on the right side of the screen, the related information, you can see all these other things that are important. Military service, mandatory Medicare coverage, understanding Part C and D enrollment periods. Everything that you need paperwork-wise is on the site. You might get lost. That's okay. It's on the site. You can search on the website, but needless to say, especially for those that are in quarantine right now, this is probably the most convenient option. There is another way where you can call into the Social Security Office Monday through Friday during business hours. Government entities are usually pretty slow moving, and I imagine that the number is probably pretty jammed up. So the easiest way to do this is on a computer, and I would highly recommend registering that way. But I'm not going to click and get the application started because it requires you to enter personal information, which I'm not getting on Medicare. But I also pulled this PDF up that I will include in the description of the video as well, how to apply for Medicare only. And it really walks you through the steps, getting to that page and then putting in your info, name, social, date of birth, gender, all that stuff. And it's a quick 2-sheet step-by-step on how to set up your Medicare and get registered so that you can get approved and be on your way with Parts A and B. And that's before you choose maybe a supplement or an Advantage plan. You have to register for Parts A and B first. So this is where you go to do it, to the Social Security website. Just wanted to make this really brief. I hope it was simple enough. If this was helpful for you, please like it, share the video, leave a comment. Let us know if you've had trouble with the registration process or if it really was that easy. Be happy to know and hear feedback on that. And again, if you could subscribe to the channel, that would be great. I will be posting content almost daily about Medicare and other related topics within that realm, such as final expense insurance, long-term care coverage, pre-need plans, annuities, etc. Everything kind of revolving around senior life and health and financial issues. But other than that, guys, I want to thank you for watching and taking the time, and we'll see you in the next video.